In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can start dropshipping using CJ Dropshipping. Now, what I like guys about CJ Dropshipping is the shipping time, okay? Now, compared to AliExpress, which I am using right now, as you can see, when someone purchases an item from me on eBay, I do everything manually, but on CJ Dropshipping, they do everything automatically. If someone purchases the item from you on eBay, CJ will get the address of the customer from your eBay store and they will ship the item directly to the customer and you don't have to do anything, okay? But on AliExpress, which I am using right now, I do everything manually. If someone purchases the item from me on eBay, I go to AliExpress, as you can see here, and I purchase the item and it's sent, and the item the item gets to the customer, okay? They ship the item to the customer, but I do everything manually, okay? So what I am trying guys to say here is the advantage guys of using CJ Dropshipping. As you can see, I just created this new account. I haven't listed anything on it, but currently, recently I started to list products, but from AliExpress. I have used CJ Dropshipping and I liked it, but the only downside of CJ Dropshipping is the profit margin. So the profit margin, if you are using AliExpress, is around 30 to 40%, but on CJ Dropshipping, because they charge a lot on service, they do, like, they ship the product automatically and they upload the tracking number and they do all these things, they charge more, okay? But when you do everything manually, you can keep more profits, okay, in your pocket. I hope it makes sense. So as you can see guys, I just created this new store. This is not my only store. I have like 3 stores and all of them they have like 400 feedbacks, and the only website I use, the only e-commerce website I use is AliExpress, because I like I said, the profit margin. And this is not to say that there is something wrong with CJ Dropshipping, which I'm about to show you guys in right now, how you can start doing dropshipping from CJ to eBay. I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step how you can list products to your eBay. If you are just starting out, I would highly suggest using CJ Dropshipping, because they will list the products automatically on your eBay store. They will do everything, okay, for you. Now, but if you already have some experience, I highly recommend guys using AliExpress. I don't know why I love AliExpress. It's just I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 4 years, and the only e-commerce website I like is AliExpress. You don't add the original price in the package. So if someone purchases the item from me for me on eBay for $20, I purchase the item on AliExpress for $12, but they don't add the original price. I just whenever I purchase the item, whenever I place the order on AliExpress, I just add there, "Hi, please, I am a dropshipper, don't include the original price in the package." And that's what the seller do. They don't include the original price in the package, and it doesn't have the AliExpress logo. Compared to Amazon and Walmart, there will be some problems, there will be some negative feedbacks. People will say that this product is coming from Amazon, not eBay, okay? But on AliExpress, that's not a problem. Now, a lot of people, they don't really know what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is an easy model, an easy business model, where you don't own the stock, you don't have items in stock. But what happens, you just list the product from AliExpress. You find a product, you like it, you download the pictures, you put it on eBay. If someone finds it on eBay and they like it, they will purchase it from you. What you do next is you take the address from eBay and you go to AliExpress, and you purchase the item. Instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer, okay? So I hope guys it makes sense. I reply to every single comment, by the way, if you don't understand anything. Now let's start right now. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can start dropshipping on eBay using CJ Dropshipping. Now the first thing you need to do guys, you want to search for CJ Dropshipping and you need to create an account there, okay? Now as you can see, this is the website. It's very popular guys. It doesn't need an introduction or whatever. It doesn't need explanation for what is CJ Dropshipping. It's, as you can see, the logo, it says we sell and source and ship for you. They will do everything for you. All you do guys is just need to find winning products, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can find winning products easily, okay? Now what I am going to show you right now is to create how you can create an account. Now you just need to click, guys, on register in the top right. And what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on Google. As you can see, you want to register using Google, or you can just enter your email here and a password and to confirm the password. Now I'm going to use my Google because it's easier. Okay, now I have created an account successfully, as you can see here. Okay, I already have an account using this, so I'm going to delete this account. As you can see, I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to show you guys how you can start from scratch, because I already have an account with this Google account. What I'm going to do right now, guys, is I'm going to delete this account so that they don't keep my data there. The stores that I have linked or I have connected to the CJ account, they will be removed. Okay, now I'm going to delete it and create a new account so that I can show you guys. As you can see, it says here your store name everything by Mohammed Etsy, because I also link this to Etsy. That's why I'm going to delete it right now, so that it will start for you guys when you create an account. That's how it will look right now after I delete it. Okay, and I'm going to go to my email. They say that the account has been sent to my email, so that they can verify it's me who wants to delete the account. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to enter this code, as you can see, and I'm going to delete it and create a new account. It will take a few seconds. As you can see, the account has been deleted successfully. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on register, and I'm going to click on Google. As you can see, I'm going to create a new account. Now, as you can see, now I have successfully created a new account. What you need to do, guys, now is you want to click on authorize in the top left. Okay, and you want to click on eBay. Now after, guys, you click on eBay, what you need to do, guys, next is you need it says here you haven't authorized any eBay stores, because this is a new CJ Dropshipping account. This is not my other accounts. Okay, these are not my other accounts. On my other accounts, they will not show me this message. They will only show me the stores that I have linked. Okay, here. Now for you and for me right now, if you haven't linked your store, your eBay store, to CJ, what you need, guys, you need to click on add store. Okay, now after, guys, you click on add store, what happens next is it will take you, guys, directly to your eBay, and you want to scroll down. For me, it was linked automatically because I already linked this eBay to this CJ account. Okay, that's why you don't ask me, guys, to give access. But for you will scroll down and give access to eBay will ask you, guys, if you are going to give access to CJ, and just confirm or give them the access. Okay, now after that it will say here authorization success. Now this means what you need, guys, now is you need to find winning products. How you can find these winning products? It's very easy. You go to AliExpress. I'm sorry, that's what's in my mind, AliExpress, because that's what I use most of the time. You go to CJ and you search for a random product. For example, I'm going to search for my cap. Okay, now after you search for my cap, for example, as you can see here, you just need to search for this. You want to find a product. It could be any product, and you want to search for this product exactly on this exact product. You want to search for it on eBay, and you want to find if other sellers on eBay are selling this product, because what you need, guys, is to find people who are using CJ Dropshipping. Okay, if they are using CJ Dropshipping and you know they are using CJ Dropshipping, you can see that by the pictures. You can see, guys, the pictures that they are showing on their pictures that on their eBay listing. If they are the same pictures, then this product is being dropshipped from CJ Dropshipping. What you need, guys, is to find these people. You want to find these people, and it's going to take you some time. For me, when I first started, it takes me like 1 hour to find one store that is dropshipping from CJ Dropshipping. And what I do is I copy all the products that they have on their store, not only 1 or 2, all the products. I try to get all the products and upload them to my eBay store. Okay, now to list these products, guys, it's very easy. Now, like I said, you need to find the competitors, and you need, after you find them, make sure the location is China, okay? Because most items from from CJ Dropshipping are from China, but that doesn't mean you can't ship from you can't use if you find, for example, the same pictures, okay, the same pictures from someone on eBay, and the location is United States, which is like this one, it says here United States, this person is shipping this product from United States, okay? Now if it has the same pictures, that means this product is being shipped from United States. Now you just need to click on list to list this product on eBay, and here where it says ship from, it says here China, okay? So this product only the stock is only in China, okay? So if it says here United States, you don't need, guys, to list this product. You want to find people who are from China. Let me check this one. As you can see, they are dropshipping this item from China, okay? Now you want to find, like I said, the exact product, and you want to list it, okay? Now as you can see here, it says here total dropshipping cost. They will charge $12, as you can see, and it says here the product price, as you can see, $6. The shipping fee is $5. The shipping fee, the service fee, I'm sorry, is 0.77 cent. Now the service fee is like when they ship the product automatically to the customer. That's why, guys, I highly recommend AliExpress. I don't know why, but I really like it. It's very an easy business, okay? Now this is the total dropshipping cost, and here you will put the price of the eBay, okay, the price that you are going to charge on eBay. That's what I mean exactly. $12, so you have to charge more. You have to charge $17, okay? And here the listing, as you can see, it says here the listing quantity, you want to go with 3, and that's it, okay? And here it says here ship my order most to you want to select United States, okay? You want to select United States, and here you want to select sorry, I'm going to add here United States, and here you want to select a cheaper, where it says shipping method, you want to select a cheaper way, guys. As you can see, it says here shipping fee. This one, CJ packet ordinary, it charges $5, but when I change it to sensitive, it charges $5.83. Sensitive Pro, it charges $6. So you want to go with cheaper one, guys, okay? So after that, guys, you want to click on list it now, and the product will be listed, guys, to your eBay store, okay? That's exactly, guys, how you can list it. Now I will leave another video, guys, on this screen right now. It will show you, guys, if you receive this message, by the way, make sure you add the credit card, make sure you set up your eBay store for dropshipping, okay? You need to do that before you can list the product, because if you don't add your credit card, if you don't link your Pioneer account to your eBay, you will not be able, guys, to list any product, okay? It says here you can list this item. We need some additional information to create seller's account. Yeah, that's it. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. Click the video in the screen if you want to start from AliExpress. Very easy, guys, compared to CG, and the profit margin is very high. Click the video in the screen right now, and you will be able, guys, to learn how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you.